Hello friends, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to talk about a new device that I found that is pretty cool and useful. It's this battery pack here. It's a cylinder that you can find in different stores like Marshalls or Walmart or online for as little as 20 bucks and sometimes even cheaper than that. And what you do is you connect it, in the case of the iPhone or an Android phone, to your phone, and it will recharge 100% or sometimes even 200% depending on the model, the battery of your phone. And all you do is connect the USB adapter here, and then you connect it to your iPhone, and you will see that the charging icon of your iPhone will start going and your phone will recharge. It takes about an hour and a half to completely charge, sometimes less, but depending on your phone, of course. But it's a really lifesaver, and you can put easily this into your pocket and charge it in an airport and get that extra juice. 100% means that if your phone is at 1% and this guy is fully charged, once you connect it, your phone will be back to 100% and giving you extra time. Extremely useful, especially in situations like an airplane or a long trip and stuff like that. Well, I hope this was useful, and thank you for watching.